Welcome. Today, we're uncovering the rule that makes life a little easier for all of us, helping balance, adjust, and respond to changes around us, just like it quietly balances voltage in the electronics we use every day. The potential divider rule. Step outside. Your phone screen brightens automatically. Step back inside. It dims again. It might seem like magic, but the secret is actually a simple electronics principle. It's called the potential divider rule. The same rule also controls your TV or radio volume. Turn the knob and the sound changes. That's because voltage is divided across resistors in the circuit. Here's how the rule works. In a series of resistors, the voltage across any resistor is proportional to its resistance. Bigger resistor, bigger voltage; smaller resistor, smaller voltage. Mathematically, we write it like this. Voltage across a resistor equals the resistor value divided by the total resistance, multiplied by the total voltage. Let's look at an example. Imagine a 12-volt battery connected to two resistors in series. Resistor 1 is 4 kiloohms. Resistor 2 is 8 kiloohms. The total resistance is 12 kiloohms. The voltage across resistor 2 is 8 divided by 12 times 12 volts, which equals 8 volts. The voltage across resistor 1 is 4 divided by 12 times 12 volts, which equals 4 volts. Simple math, predictable voltage. Now, in your phone, a light sensor changes resistance with the brightness of the room. Using the potential divider rule, that resistance change becomes a voltage change. The phone reads the voltage. Then it adjusts the screen brightness automatically. The same principle applies to volume knobs. Turn the knob. The resistor changes. Voltage changes. Sound changes. The potential divider rule is everywhere. It's used in sensors, microcontrollers, LEDs, and reference voltages. It's a simple rule, but it controls so many devices we use every day. You can try it yourself. Connect two resistors in series across a battery. Measure the voltage across one resistor. Change the resistor values. See the voltage divide exactly as predicted. Next time your phone adapts to light or your TV adjusts volume, remember, it's the potential divider rule quietly making it happen.